So today I thought I'd show you this website where you can bet on sports for free. You never have to deposit any money. In fact, you can't deposit money into this. But the way that it works is when you first sign up, you'll get $1, and you can place bets on anything that you want. So right now, I've won some games, I've lost some games. You have to get $10 to cash out. And if you run out of money, they'll make you watch like a 15-second ad and they'll give you another 50 cents. And that's only if your balance is completely out. And you can't have any picks pending. So if you're going to do this, the way to make money with it, which you're not going to make much on this, but the thing of it is, I kind of like to think of this as saving money. That way you can still have fun betting on the games, but you won't be able to place as high of bets as you would if you're doing like a regular sports book. So if you want something that kind of like forces you to bet responsibly and just want to do this just for fun, you can go with this site. And if you bet every single day, after like a week, they will give you a 70-cent bonus. Also, they sometimes give you 3 times picks, where your pick is worth 3 times. And if it'll show it on the dashboard here. And if you get one of those 3 times picks, if you understand how betting works, just pick whichever team's favored to win on the money line, because it's all going to give you the same results for the 3 times pick. The max you can bet is 20 cents on the 3 times picks, but for everything else, you can bet as like a minimum 5 cents. And so you can keep playing every single day and get the bonuses. I'd recommend only pick games on the days that the game is going to be played. Otherwise, because if you have pending picks and they all fail, then you'll have to wait until the pick goes through in order to get the 50 cents back. So if you want to get the bonuses and betting every day, bet on the games that are happening today. So I'm going to bet, well, this you can bet on the Super Bowl, and one strategy I would think to do with this is pick massive underdogs. Because technically you're getting the 50 cents for free. You can't cash out until you get a minimum $10. And wait for a massive underdog to hit. And you can bet on all these sports. Racing starts this Sunday. That would be when it says no games available yet for this one, but yet it shows the Super Bowl. Hopefully it shows racing, because this would be one of the better things to bet on. Because if you bet 50 cents on someone to win, you can earn a few bucks. But I would just bet on massive underdogs. You can do whatever you want. So Detroit Pistons versus Cleveland Cavaliers. I already put a few picks in, but I'm just going to bet on the underdog. And if they win, I'll win a lot more. But if they lose, then I just try it again. So I get $8 right there if they win. And if they don't win, and I'm below 50 cents, they'll give me another chance. All right. Now, there's other ways to earn. You can earn by taking surveys. I personally don't do that. I just play with the 50 cents, hope to hit on a big underdog, which I have before. I've hit on these big underdogs. And that's how I use the site. It's just for fun. It's not going to make you much. They make you wait. They earn by advertisements. And you can see if I play 5 more days, I'll get 70 sports bucks, 70 cents, and a 5-cent loyalty revenue bonus. And there's other games you can play. They have offer walls if you want to take surveys, which I personally don't. If you want to take surveys, I'd recommend using sites like Prolific or even Free Cash. Free Cash isn't the best paying. Prolific pays the best, but however, they don't always have surveys available. But if you want something to earn with surveys all the time, I'll even put a referral link below to Free Cash. That's one of my favorite get paid to sites. I don't use it that much. You can also get paid to play games. It's not a big money maker, but if you got some spare time, you want to earn a little something without having to leave the house, you can sign up for Free Cash. Now, there is no referral that I could find on here. I think they got rid of that. So I'm just making this because I haven't made a video in a long time. So I have nothing to gain from it. I'm being honest here. If you're interested, try this website. Comment your thoughts below. And that's it for this episode, or this video. Thanks.